Hi everyone, William here from Winmate, and I'd like to welcome you back to another one of our Win Talks webinar sessions. So as businesses are beginning to reopen, heavy industries around the world are also returning back to action. And you're in luck because Winmate offers a comprehensive line of ruggedized products for transportation and heavy-duty applications. Whether it's cranes, trains, trucks, tractors, or excavators, Winmate offers ruggedized panel PCs and vehicle-mounted computers for every heavy-duty application you can think of. And if you're in need of a customized solution or a unique application, then Winmate also has you covered. Just remember that dust, water, and vibration are no match for the products you're about to see in this session. So without any further ado, here is our presenter, Darren, to tell you more.
Greetings everyone, I'm Darren from Product and Marketing Department. Welcome to join our webinar, and I'm very glad to be here to introduce our latest solutions to you. The topic is about heavy-duty applications. Let's see how Winmate leads the market trend and overcome the industrial challenges for heavy-duty applications. Before starting our topic today, we would like to give you a brief about Winmate. At first, I will give you a company snapshot to let you know who we are and what we do. Then I will show you which vertical markets Winmate is aiming at and what products we can offer. At last, I will introduce our global support and service network. Winmate is a pioneer in rugged mobile computing technology, particularly in rugged tablet. With more than 25 years of experience, we have provided business leaders with reliable, rugged solutions made for the most challenging industrial conditions worldwide. Winmate is committed to being your trustworthy partners in building the intelligent solutions. To surpass customers' expectations, Winmate make the difference by utilizing its decades of industrial computing experience, a highly talented R&D team, and exceptional levels of customer service. Based on our give and take strategy, our annual revenue in 2019 has reached $56 million. Also, we have over 50 distribution channels around the world. Moreover, in order to launch innovative and reliable products and service customer effectively, we have flexible and complete function teams from design, manufacturing to after-sales service. We currently have over 400 employees worldwide, and our team has occupied nearly 40% in the company. After years of R&D and in-house testing, we may aim a different vertical market to launch corresponding solutions around the world, inclusive of vehicle diagnostics, transportation, military, healthcare, oil and gas, and many more. Frankly speaking, in order to launch top-class products, you must have a lot of investments, inclusive of manpower or testing equipment. Winmate is one of the few IPC manufacturers with strong rugged engineering capabilities in the world. Firstly, to overcome environmental challenges, we have strong rugged design teams. Definitely, testing and design items are numerous and complicated, such as drop, vibration, tumbling test, moisture, thermal simulation, and modeling, and so on. Secondly, we have rich and sophisticated system integration experience, so customers can save much time and effort to enable IoT and industrial applications, from firmware, software to cloud computing service. Thirdly, to promote performance and stability of products, we have a superior thermal team. Take healthcare market, for example. The service temperature of product is usually below 48 degrees because this temperature is acceptable to touch for users. Some patients may be disabled, so this kind of design can avoid injuries In order to solve this issue, you must have a great thermal solution. Also, to speed up time to market and offer customers one-stop shop and service, Winmate has complete lineup and passed the various and strict certificate in advance, such as oil and gas, medical applications, transportation, or marine. At Winmate, we prioritize our global service capabilities. In the industrial applications, customers usually use their product for 5 to 10 years. Therefore, product quality, customer service, and after-sales support are all very important to us. In order to offer excellent customer service and after-sales support, we have numerous branches spread across Asia, Europe, North America, and Canada. This means we can promptly and effectively respond to customers all around the world. 2023 is a big year to Winmate. At that time, our new headquarters will be ready in Taipei, Taiwan. The grand building is amazing and beautiful. In order to launch innovation and top-class products, this building will include R&D Innovation Center, and our employees amount will become twice length. Besides of the complete function teams, from design, manufacturing to after-sales service, we will build a brand new factory and laboratory. Let's get on to business. The topic we are going to discuss today is the heavy-duty applications. Here's the agenda today. Firstly, I will give you a snapshot about the market trend, then I will introduce the heavy-duty industry and related challenges primarily. After that, I will talk about what target markets we are aiming at and how to overcome industrial challenges with FM product family. At last, you will go over our successful stories and understand why Winmate is every customer's best mate. IoT is one of the most popular terms in recent years, and the market for IoT has seen a somewhat unexpected acceleration. The number of IoT devices is at 7 billion in 2018, and the amount is expected to grow to 21 billion in 2025. This number doesn't include smartphones, tablets, laptops, or fixed-line phones. Also, simple one-directional communications technologies such as RFID, NFC are not considered. The compound annual growth rate is a 10 to 17% from 2018 to 2025. The significant connection growth is mainly driven by IoT devices. Most specifically, IoT devices are both on the consumer side, such as smart home, as well as on the enterprise or B2B side, such as connected machinery. Connecting ways are diversified, inclusive of wireless personal networks, wireless local area networks, low-power wide area networks, cellular, M2M, or 5G. It's worth mentioning few people think of wired connections when they think of IoT. However, in many settings, a wired devices connection is still the cheapest and the most reliable options, particularly in industrial settings. Few buses and Ethernet technologies use wire connection to a large extent and are expected to remain doing so in the next 10 years. The current market sentiment and short-term outlook extremely positive. Software and platforms are expected to continue to drive the market as more data is moved to the cloud, new IoT applications get brought to market, and analytics continue to gain in importance. The global market for Internet of Things is expected to grow 39% from 2017 to 2025. Also, the market value expected to reach 1,567 billion by 2025. Today's topic is about the heavy-duty industry. I think everyone has own perspective about the definition of heavy-duty industry. In order to make everyone realize related applications easily, I want to explain what's the heavy-duty industry from our perspective. Heavy-duty industry is a broad scope rather than a single industry. In general, there are three characteristics about the heavy-duty industry, and it includes a variety of vertical markets. The first one is that products are large and heavy. Secondly, is related to large and heavy equipment and facilities, such as large machine tools, huge buildings, and large-scale infrastructure. At last, plants exist complex or numerous processes. Because of these factors, heavy-duty industry involves higher capital intensity than light industry does, and is often cyclic in investment and employment. I divided different vertical markets into three classifications, which are infrastructures, pressing industries, and discrete manufacturing. All applications I list on the page belong in IoT, and it means use IoT technology in the industrial environment. IoT incorporates machine learning and big data technology. More and more companies will opt for IoT as it boosts productivity, increases efficiency, and saves time and money. The driving philosophy behind the IoT is that smart machines are better than humans at accurately, consistently capturing and communicating data. This data can help companies overcome the problems sooner, save time and money, and support business intelligence efforts. Especially in manufacturing, IoT has great potential for quality control, sustainable and green practices, supply chain traceability, and overall supply chain efficiency. Actually, IoT is everywhere, and it finds its way to different vertical markets and applications. In addition, it helps industry with data collection, data analysis, and real-time control, such as smart energy, smart manufacturing, public utilities, and many more. IoT has also been applied in smart energies with products like smart meters, which collects data automatically and apply analytics to track and manage energy use, such as solar energy, wind energy, power substation. In the manufacturing field, IoT has proven to be highly beneficial with data collecting, sensors embedded in the machinery to warehouse shelves, allowing the workers to have a full track of all the problems and resources, thus making work more efficient, including oil refinery, steel plant, and power plant. According to the public utilities, IoT can assist in collection data from the environment. It will enhance security and promote IoT convenience like status monitoring, remote control, and facility management. However, we are still facing many challenges in different scenarios due to critical and demanding environment factors. These factors may be temperature, humidity, dust, water, vibration, explosion, hazardous materials, and it may make customers fall into dangerous situations or lose money. In order to overcome this issue and solve customers' problems, we may launch the versatile and ultra-rugged products for the heavy-duty applications. I will introduce more detail later. As I mentioned, the scope of heavy-duty industry is so broad that I will focus on the heavy-duty vehicles applications. Other heavy-duty applications such as oil and gas, railway, IoT, or smart manufacturing have own feature or certification. We will discuss it in another webinar topics. Based on the thoughtful and rugged design of our panel PC, FM product family will not only adopt in the general vehicle market, but adopt in the heavy-duty vehicle applications. The related vertical markets are inclusive of agriculture, transportation, marine and port logistics, mining and excavation, warehousing, construction, and so on. Tractor and harvester are suitable for farming and agriculture. Precision agriculture relies on advanced technologies such as field positioning via GPS. FM series panel PC are equipped with external antenna for GPS to provide accurate positioning. Operators can use Winmate panel PC to show complete information such as landscape, soil type, plant species, schedule for seeding, watering, harvesting, or environmental variables. Forklift is for warehousing and construction. The related purposes include asset management and tracking, inventory management, order selection and staging, distribution visibilities, shipping and receiving or working tasks. Each forklift is outfitted with FM series panel PC. Let's suppose wide range power input from 10 to 60 voltage with ignition control. Every time the operator moves an item into or out of a warehouse, they simply scan a barcode and enable real-time pallet tracking via ERP systems. When there is a forklift breakdown, user can detach the device from the dock and then move it to other spare forklift. Dock it and ready to go. When the display cracked or broken panels, user can replace the front panel on the field to reduce service costs and prevent productivity loss. No matter use Winmate FM series panel PC in the crane for port logistics, excavator for mining, or building construction site, it can help our customer enhance efficiency and accuracy, improve productivity, and minimize error. The FM series panel PC with stocking delivers full computing power without compromising space in the cabin. It guides crane or excavator operator in real time to eliminate unproductive moves and increase handling capacity. Besides heavy-duty vehicle applications, our product definitely can be used in the general vehicle market, such as bus, police car, ambulance, taxi, fire engine, or truck separately. Some of our products even combine with camera to proceed more artificial intelligence and business intelligence applications. Smart transportation solutions include elementary systems such as car navigation, traffic signal control, container management systems, and many more. It also includes advanced technologies that provide real-time data such as parking guidance and information systems, weather information, among other customized solutions. Evolution of smart transportation has resulted in several technological solutions across the globe. These solutions include real-time navigation systems, accident aversion, and smart parking guidance, detect traffic, reroute traffic based on road and weather conditions, and so on. Smart transportation tools also allow users to track and manage food consumption. All these solutions have boosted the comfort and safety of passengers, which is a major aspect of the Smart City project. Tech truck, for example, the related purposes include fleet management, electronic onboard recorders compliance, automatic driver logs, location-based service, manage food consumption and idle time, or check maintenance. The computer needs to have a wide range power input from 10 to 60 voltage to handle unstable voltage from the vehicle. Then various wireless communication and data transfer between driver and dispatchers can maximize fleet operational efficiencies. Certainly, all information from TPMS can be transferred through IS-232 to provide the complete information for safety in the fleet management platform. I primarily divided heavy-duty vehicle applications into three classifications, which are security and surveillance, machine-to-machine diagnosis, and management. Through integrating cameras and computers, we can decrease accidents by edge computing and AI applications. Also, we can enhance the asset management and the security of the driver, passenger, pedestrian, and other vehicles. Even though the accident happened, people can handle and solve it effectively. With the benefit of Internet of Things, devices and computers can proceed data transmission, signal transformation, and predictive maintenance. Through data collecting, people can use data analysis tools and techniques to detect anomalies in the operation and possible defects in equipment and processes, so we can fix them before they result in failure. Also, we can depend on the GPS tracking devices to monitor the driving speed of the driver and improve fleet management and route optimization. Here's the lineup about vehicle mounting computer FM series. These products are features for your heavy-duty vehicle and general vehicle applications, so you can use these products everywhere according to your project requirements. FM series have 5 features mainly to adapt in the heavy-duty vehicle applications. Firstly is the specific I/O port or interface to meet customized requirements. Then there are wide-range power input with ignition control, mounting weights, IP rating, and rocket design in order. Based on these designs, suppliers can create value to customers to help them receive the real-time information, enhance efficiency and accuracy, improve productivity, and minimize errors. We will have an advanced illustration in the following pages. The first criterion is the campus interface. Through the campus interface, computer can communicate with the engine control unit directly to get vehicle-related information, inclusive of tire pressure, engine health, battery voltage, and so on. Secondly, vehicles sometimes cannot offer stable power input. The car even stall or shut down suddenly, so computer must have wide-range power input from 9 to 36 voltage or 6 to 60 voltage with ignition control to protect the system itself. For the heavy-duty vehicle or the railway applications, the voltage even needs to design up to 48 voltage, 72 voltage, or 110 voltage. Thirdly, devices need to support intuitive and convenient mounting way such as VESA mount, rail mount, and a panel mount. Therefore, user can install it everywhere. At last, you must can imagine when a car is moving, it must encounter strong vibration and shock. Also, dust and moisture are unavoidable. Due to these conditions, our vehicle mounting computer have corresponding design and protection and pass the military standard test for vibration and shock resistance. Let's see FMOZ series. This is the product specification of FMOZ. It can support 1000 nits LCD with PCAP touch, foot IP waterproof and dustproof, wide operating temperature from -20 to 60 degrees, and wide range power input from 9 to 36 voltage. Also, it has EMARC certification and passed the MIL standard A10G shock, vibration, and drop test. This one is for the FMOZ-A. Just take a look. These two models have the same appearance and similar functions. The main difference is about the operating systems and the processor. Besides the VMC features I have mentioned, these two rugged products are ready for changing any rigid and demanding environments from -20 to 60°. Then we have programmable function key so customer can promote efficiency for their unique applications such as reset, emergency, or anything else. Thanks to the PCAP technology, our products can deliver excellent responsive performance by supporting multi-touch and allowing for anyone to operate it easily with different modes. Intuitive operation with maximized use of the screen surface can make users scroll, tap, zoom in and zoom out image to promote advanced productivity. The focus of the Internet of Things is on drive control, sensor detection, network control, information processing technology, and even the latest robot technology. Information processing technology as the soul of running through the entire IoT, in addition to the need to provide stable and reliable industrial computing platform, the harsh and complicated operating site environment also places special requirements on the facilities and using equipment. With comprehensive connecting ways, users can access and share the timely information for diagnosis and management or the other BI applications. Our panel PC supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS, so customers can stay connected wherever the job takes them. You can regard our FMOZ series as a combo meal, and it has own unique selling points and features. This combo meal includes French fries or beverage just like features I have mentioned before. If you want to upgrade the combo meal, you can choose our FMO8 or FM10 series according to your project requirements. The dock let users not only change devices in any cars which have the installation about the docking, but deliver through computing power and expand various I/O ports. Also, one-click top latch offers user-friendly experience to customers. In order to enhance security, our products have the screen blanking functions. Through the G-Center design, the screen locks while the vehicle is moving. On the contrary, the screen automatically unlocks when the vehicle stops. Therefore, driver will reduce visual, cognitive, and physical distractions by limiting devices' functionalities while the vehicle is in motion. Also, this function can restrict the use of computer for security. A defroster can clear condensation and the soil frost from the screen. In FM8 and FM10, the heater is installed between the touch and the panel. The heater can automatically start or stop working when the outside temperature reaches specific degrees by setting in advance. When the condensation appears on the touch, the heater's temperature becomes higher, leading to evaporations of the condensations. The ideal solution is suitable to use in cold storage, outdoor or intermodal facilities. This table shows comparisons among FMO7, FMO8, and FM10. If the last character of model name shows A, means it supports ARM structures. If it shows a Q, means Qualcomm. Each FM model supports food IP65 to avoid the dust and the water. According to different vehicle type, the model supports different wide range power input from 9 to 24 voltage, 9 to 36 voltage, to 10 to 60 voltage. For dark screen blanking and heater features, only FMO8 and FM10 series support these functions. User can choose the appropriate model according to your scenario and budget. Compared to other suppliers and competitors, our products have 15-year long life support. Based on our excellent and professional background, we grasp the domain know-how in each vertical market and pass the corresponding certifications such as anti-explosion, medical applications, vehicle, railway, military, or marine. In addition, we may prioritize the quality and reliability of products and offer flexible, modular design and customized service. The most important thing is that we have alliance ecosystems and global partners to offer unique and amazing solutions to our customers. Let's go over our successful stories. In this case, the customer used our vehicle mounting computer FMOZ in public transportation for surveillance, security, and passenger information systems. Then our product supports campus interface wide operating temperatures from minus 20 degree to 60 degree, wide power input from 9 to 36 voltage with ignition control, programmable function keys, and pass the EMARC certifications. On the other hand, wireless connectivity such as Wi-Fi and GPS are necessary and useful. It can help device to transmit the data to the control center for route optimization, driving speed monitoring, or managing fuel consumption and idle time. The concept of Internet of Things has been implemented in almost every aspect of warehouse management. The IoT interconnects all the moving parts and ties your logistics together, bring countless benefits. The movement of inventory is trackable and traceable. The data collected can be leveraged for manufacturers or operators to make precise decisions. The operational downtime can be prevented, etc. From inventory management to order fulfillment, asset tracking, and shipping or receiving, the logistics ecosystems require real-time data collection and communication from the production line and warehouse floors to keep it running smoothly. Forklift truck drivers and warehouse workforce equipped with the right automated technology that enhance mobility will help minimize errors, streamline ordering and inventory management, and improve operational efficiencies. A world-leading forklift and truck lift manufacturer in the USA was looking for a vehicle mounting computer solution to enhance its inventory management. Their needs include a rugged panel PC with excellent quality and high computing performance for inventory management, tracking, and handling complex material flows. At last, Winmate won the project and provided the 8-inch rugged panel PC FM8. Around 100 units have been deployed. Users enjoy handling the device as a result of its user-friendly features and a stable mount on the forklifts. The inventory management runs smoothly thanks to the implementations of the FM8, making forklift drivers always receive the most up-to-date information, register stock with 100% accuracy, and can trace their actions. With just 1 year, the inventory traceability items in the factory have dropped by more than 50%, while stock replenishment efficiency increased by more than 45%. The manufacturer is now looking for more opportunities to work with Winmate to drive the business forward. Waste management service can be seen in nearly every residential and commercial areas. However, the conventional operating processes often lead to inefficient management performance on account of outdated manual collection measures and logistics processes, which lack efficient data-driven solutions. The rapid urbanization across regions and the concept of IoT have contributed to the emergence of smart waste collection. The management solutions are made possibly by the applications of technologies like IoT sensors, RFID, GPS, and cloud-based software for intelligent monitoring, route optimization, and data analytics. A smart waste management company in UAE catering to millions of residents through municipal service deploys the IoT measures mentioned above, yet they were looking for a rugged Android-based vehicle mounting computer to help integrate the data collected through the sensors and RFID readers and communicate with the command centers to take their truck tracking systems to the next level. The customer purchased FM10A to serve as the in-vehicle data collection and the communication terminals. The FM10A's wireless capabilities improves productivity by leveraging the data collected from the vehicles and transmitting it back in real time to the cloud-based smart tracking systems and command centers. The organization is now able to plan the fleet trucks based on the volume of the waste in bins, consequently reducing the unnecessary vehicle diesel consumption and eventually contributing to reduced carbon emission and promoting sustainability. Also, the company can come up with actionable strategies and make informed decisions. 2 years of deployment saw a 30% decrease in the waste collection cost. The growing complexity in transportation management is driving more logistics operations to explore their mobile options, whether they want to monitor their assets and human resources, more efficiently route and schedule their trucks, or enhance the service level provided by their customer-facing employees. Shippers are turning to mobile tools to help achieve these and other goals. The integration of connected vehicle technology into the trucking sector presents enormous potential for creating safer and more efficient roadways. Winmate provides flexible vehicle solutions for conventional fleet management to perform location tracking and task management. For this case, we offer strong software support for wireless communication. Then we pass the test of MIL standard A10G. The most important thing is that we offer customer a one-stop service and a complete solution. This is why we won the project eventually. Modern agriculture deploys more and more computing technologies to increase the production volumes, ease harvesting, and navigate around the field. Vehicle computers are a core element of modern farming machinery, such as combine harvesters and tractors. The task of those mobile telemetry control systems typically include GPS-controlled fleet management, data acquisition of harvest humidity, data storage, and displaying the video feed from external cameras. We may design waterproof and vibration-resistant computers for agricultural vehicles. As mentioned, our products were adopted by customers in multiple vertical markets worldwide, such as in industrial automation, military, vehicle onboard diagnostics, oil and gas, and many more. Clients can trust quality, reliability, and durability for all Winmate's products. Also, we prioritize to offer excellent customer service and after-sales support for customers. Winmate offers one-stop shop and a service to customers. Customers are easy to integrate and can use cheaper price to get our package solutions together. If our standard design does not meet your requirement, we still can customize the product for you. In customers' projects, we always show our ability to overcome different challenges and eliminate concerns from the customer. Likewise, if you have any potential projects on your hand, you are very welcome to discuss it with us. We aim to offer the appropriate proposal for your needs. Next, customer can fully engage with Winmate at all times. During the development period, we may meet unexpected and avoidable problems, but we will fix it through standardized weekly meetings and frequent communication. At last, we will make sure the product's time to market and it can be delivered on time. Based on what I mentioned above, we are confident in helping our customers with any projects. Here's the today's sharing of heavy-duty vehicle applications. If you have any inquiry or problems, you are welcome to visit our website www.winmate.com or scan the QR code directly. We hope we can help our customers to overcome any rigid and demanding situations. Hopefully you enjoy my talk and we will have more sharing in the futures. See you next time.